Hey, and welcome to another video on the Zachley's Plastic Models YouTube channel. Sorry it's been 73 years since the last one. I just haven't finished anything. I've started 15 projects. This is the first one I've finished since the GTX. And this is a 1950 Chevy 3100. It's an AMT kit. The decals for it are for a service truck, but I, of course, made it rusty because that's really good. And there's a bunch of crap in here. Tailgate flips down. Move all this on out of here. Some parts in a box. Yep. And there's nothing really special about it outside. Of course, you got the chrome bits that are newer, but still old and a bit dull. And everything's a bit wobbly. In the bed, it looks a bit old, but not terrible. Up in the cab, we'll see if I can, which I cannot get in there with that right now. So let's try shining a light in it. That's made it worse. Okay. It's short of steering wheel. The steering wheel's in the box of parts. The color, I don't know what the color is. It's something from Rust-Oleum. It's pretty great. Hood's nothing really special about it. No hinges. And then in the engine bay, that's a whole different area of chaos. So I've got everything kind of disgusting in there, except I got lazy when I finished up. So everything in the engine bay is actually relatively clean except the engine. And of course you can see where I've got it look like it's puking bright green coolant everywhere. Underneath you can see some other various fluids dripping out down here, all around up here. And of course, you probably noticed that's not the stock motor because of course I put a small block V8 in it. Why wouldn't I? That is a 265 from a 55 Chevy kit. It's got the wheels, it's got the different front left wheel because you can't have all four the same wheels. That would be too nice. And that's really about it. I didn't go too overboard with wiring in this engine bay. I could have, I chose not to because I wanted it to still be simple, and after spending 3 months working on it, I'd just run out of patience, to be honest. Underneath, nothing really special about it either. I didn't really give a good look at it. Just cab color underneath. A little bit of work went into making everything meet smoothly because I had to do a bunch of cutting on the firewall and everything to make the new V8 fit, but that's really all there is to this truck. I'm working on a few more things. I think the next video should be out within a month. No. Yeah, the next one's going to be a green Charger Daytona, so look forward to that.